Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In the previous video we learned about the two functions which are find and find one. So in this video we'll be seeing more about how to imply user queries using regular expressions and basic basic query syntax. So here is a code. So this video basically consists of another methods irrespective of the find one and the find, which can tell you that how you can use different methods for fetching out the data from the collection. So these are the two basic on this one. The first one, this is a normal syntax where you can provide a column name. Here we are providing a key for fetching out the data. So name is the key and John is the value. So the format which is used in a MongoDB is a kind of dictionary format. So key and value kind of format structure we get in MongoDB, unlike the SQL format. So here in this object, in this initialization of object, we have created another dictionary where we are providing a column name. You can say according to you whatever you want, a name and the value of that. So your name is the key and value is John. So let's run that out. And this is my query which I want to fetch out of the collection, this specific. And this is an object created as the last previous video we have seen for X. And in find, this is the find method. In that we are providing parameter which is my query for fetching out John, right? So we'll just see, save and run. So as you can see, the query which I've provided John is been fetched out. And yeah, the work has done. And let's check out for the regular expression. So when it comes to the creativity of the user or the programmer, you can use regular expressions also, depending on the type of requirement you have. You can use this for more complex queries to be fetched out of the collection. So let's run this out. So what it implies here, what I you can see is that I want name by providing a regular expression. If you are familiar about regular expressions, what it does is here is that it will try to find out names which starts with S. Yes, so our results consist of two names starting with S. So this is how you can use regular expressions within this my query format, and you can pass it as an parameter to the find function to dig in more into the searching procedure. So this is another method of implying the search technique from the collection. And yeah, so this is the basic previous format. pymongo implementing the object line, creating db. And once you have just created the table, it stays until unless you have dropped it out. So the data within the table will stay until and unless you have dropped out the table. So no worries if you don't have the table again and again. You don't have to fetch, you don't have to put that table again and again over there. You just need to put it once and you're done. And so these are the two methods which you can use. And you can also put out address and rest of the things. So let's just try to find out another name. I'll just type in Betty, which I remember, and save. Let's just comment this out, save and run. Yep. And so id name 7, and there is a name called Betty with address green grass. So yes, it definitely works. So this is another procedure of querying out data from collections. And in the next video we'll see something more depth in this searching criteria. And thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any concerns, queries, and any questions related to these videos or this entire series, you can comment down below and I'll try them to answer. I'll just the try them to answer. That's it. Okay, and thanks for watching.